Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some green pressed fried plantain. Guys, I'm telling you, this recipe is a must try. They are so crispy, they are so yummy, they are so good. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And please share my videos. I will really appreciate it. So stay tuned. So these are my green plantain. As you can see, I'm only using two. So I already peel one, and this one I'm just gonna show you guys how I do it. So as you can see right there, I just take my knife and just slice it all the way down. So now I'm just using my fingers and I'm just peeling it. Just make sure you take your time and do it slowly. So as you can see, I already take some of it off. So guys, as you can see, some green bits still leave on my plantain. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking my knife and just slowly removing it because you don't need it, okay? So just do it as I show you. So guys, I just finished wash my plantains. I wash it two times. I wash it when it was in the skin and I wash it when I remove the skin. So as you can see, I just take my paper towel and I'm just removing the excess water, okay? So guys, I normally add just a pinch of salt and black pepper to my plantain. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna take my fork and just poke my plantain. Cause what that do, whenever I'm ready to fry it, the oil will penetrate through the plantain and it will be more easy for you to press it down, okay? And make sure you don't poke it all the way through, okay? So now I'm just gonna season my plantain. So as you can see, I'm just blending my salt and my black pepper together, and as I finish, I'm just gonna take it and just sprinkle it on my plantain. You can also take your hand and just rub it as if you're massaging it, yeah. So guys, as you can see, I have my knife. So I'm just gonna cut my plantains. I'm gonna cut it like 3 times. So I'm gonna get like 4 pieces because my plantain is not that big. It's a bit small, yeah. So here I have my frying pot on the stove, and guys, to my pot I add at least quarter cup of vegetable oil, and make sure your stove is on a medium heat because you don't want your plantain to burn. So now I'm just adding my plantain, and I'm gonna allow them to fry for at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Just wait for it to have this golden color, okay? And you want to make sure you space it all out. I'm gonna add all of my plantain because my pot is quite big. So now I'm turning my plantain, and guys, as you can see, it is nice and golden, and that's exactly all you want it. Perfect. So all of my plantain is all fried, and they are perfectly fried. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take my bowl, and I'm just gonna remove all of them. So now guys, you're gonna wanna take your cutting board, or even you can even do it on your counter, on your kitchen counter. And as you can see, I have a flat plate, and I just place my plantain on my board right there, and I just pressing it down with my plate. Just take your time. And guys, as you can see, it press all down. That's the reason why I take my fork and I poke it, so it is easier to do this way. Yeah. Then you just want to take something that's flat, and you're just gonna remove it from the plate. You can also use your hands, but just make sure you take your time because you don't want your plantain to break. So as you can see, I'm just pressing that one also. That's my last one I'm pressing, and guys, I'm telling you, they look so yummy already. They are pressed to perfection. That's exactly how you want it to be. So now I'm gonna fry back my plantain so it is nice and crispy. Yeah. So guys, just make sure your oil is hot. And you're just gonna fry it for at least 3 minutes on each side. So for this time, I don't add all of my plantain to my pot because I press it, they are more bigger and you don't want to take that chance, okay? So just add at least 5 or so. So now I'm gonna flip my plantains over, and guys, I'm telling you, as you can see, they are so nice and crispy and golden. I'm telling you, this is the real deal. That's exactly all you want it to be. Just perfect. So my plantain has finished fried. So now I'm just removing them and I'm gonna fry the remaining one that's left. Okay, so stay tuned. So now I'm just flipping my plantains over. So all of my plantain is all finished. So now I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. So now I'm just plating up my plantains, and guys, please share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And please, if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe for many more delicious videos like these. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and hit that notification button so you can receive more videos like these. So I'm just sprinkling some of my black pepper and my salt all over on my plantain. I'm serving my green fried pressed plantain with some oven jerk chicken. If you want to see how I made my jerk chicken with my sauce, I'm gonna leave a link below, okay? I'm telling you guys, it looks so good. These two are a good combination. It goes perfectly. I'm telling you. As you can see, I'm just taking my sauce and just pour it all on my jerk chicken. I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Stay blessed.